In this video, we'll learn how to select plants for study at the species level in woody plants of the southeastern United States, a field botany course on CD. We covered selecting plants at the family and the genus level in another video. Okay, we're going to click on the Taxa selection box or go under the Run menu and select Taxa selection or type Control-R. And that's what I'll do this time, typing Control-R. It's a really good idea to get used to using the keyboard for all of your actions in woody plants of the southeastern United States, because some of the features we'll learn later on really depend heavily on the keyboard, and you'll find your operations go much faster with the keyboard than with the mouse. So we're now at the Taxonomic Selections level box, and we're going to select the species level. Notice when you do this, a little box appears, or a little becomes active. That is, we can now click Use Common Names. We'll look at the Common Names feature in just a minute. Now, clicking OK takes us to our Taxonomic Selections dialog box, and we've got now, because we're working at the species level, all three columns activated. The first column, where we select the family, the second for the genus, and the third for the species. And the Add button is only active in the third column now because we're going to select at the species level. Well, let's go down and select the Betulaceae as our first family, and Betula, which is the birch genus, and then Betula nigra, which is the river birch, and we'll add that to our selection. We'll go all the way down now to the Ulmaceae, which has some superficially similar leaves. Ulmus is the only genus in the Ulmaceae that's in our program, and we then see the species that we have, and we have 4 of them. We'll select the American elm, the typical treats tree in the United States, at least before the advent of Dutch elm disease. So American elm, and then we add that to our selection. We can continue doing this, adding other taxa. Perhaps we could add American elm and the red elm. And if we decide we've made a mistake, we can remove those, or clicking Clear List would clear the whole list. Clicking Finished takes us back to the main screen, and we can go on to study plants, take a quiz, or take a test. But let's say we wanted to learn plants by their family name. Again, we would go to Taxa Selection, select Species, and now Use Common Name. And now the program has cleared our selections because we're no longer doing it by the criteria we used a minute ago, but we're going to select by common name. Let's get the same taxa. We'll go to the Betulaceae, Betula, and now we have the common name in the last column. I think we selected river birch last time, and so we'll add that again. And then go down and choose Ulmaceae, the elm genus, and now we have American elm, slippery elm, etc. We'll choose the American elm like last time. And now our Selections dialog box has the common name in it. And in fact, the common name is what we would see when we went to the other selections. Well, that's how we select plants at the species level. If you need to know what plants you want to study, you can always go to the Help menu and open the Included Taxa boxes. Go to Taxa by common name, by family, or by genus, most likely by common name. If we were to click on that, we would open a PDF viewer. Here it is already open, and in that PDF viewer we would see the common name of the plant. We'd also see associated with that its genus, species, and family, and the number of images that occur in that plant. So if we wanted to learn, what did we have? American elm, we could go down and find the American elm here. There it is. And we see that that is the genus Ulmus, species Americana, in the Ulmaceae. So if we printed this out, we would be able to have a reference sheet that would tell us how to select the family and the genus to find the common name American elm. Thanks very much for your attention to this introductory dialogue on woody plants of the southeastern United States, a field botany course on CD.